I say Geoduck is the sweetest clam in the ocean. Irashai!
Beautiful. Still water coming out. Oh my goodness.
Geoduck is a long-neck clam, only live in the northwest. Today we got the Geoduck from Puget Sound. Geoduck has a special flavor, very sweet, unique flavor, which no other clam has. There's a farm Geoduck, but the wild is much tougher texture and sweeter. I came here in 1991 from Japan. That time Geoduck was so cheap, but nowadays prices maybe double, triple. The reason is we sending so much nice Geoduck to Asia, like China, South Asia. When I was a little boy, my father loved sushi, so he took me to a sushi restaurant all the time. I started eating from a cucumber roll, tuna roll. That was my start eating sushi. This one called itoyori, thread fin ring. This one from Shikoku Island in Japan, Shikoku. This one is a golden eye snapper. We call kimmedai from Shizuoka Prefecture in Japan. Little salt. After graduate high school, I came to Seattle to study English first. But I was a very poor student. In nighttime, I was working at a restaurant. Yellowback bream, renkodai. This food culture is very interesting to me. I asked my old boss, where should I go to apprentice? And they introduced me to go Shiro-san's place. When I met Shiro, my life changed. That was when I was 23 years old. I'm 44 years old. Next one, black throat, nodoguro. This is from Kyushu, Japan. Shiro-san told me lots of heart we need to have being a sushi chef, bluefin tuna. And as a Japanese, we need to keep our tradition. Shiro-san told me that we need to explain what the real sushi is to the local people. This is a king mackerel, Sawara, Ishinomaki, Sendai. It's beautiful, nice size too. Lots of straw. We gotta do it quick. You don't want to cook fish. Geoduck texture is supposed to be very crunchy. I use Geoduck about 1 to 2 pounds. The big one is not that great. You don't want to eat grandpa, you know. When I break down the Geoduck, skin is kind of too tough. So I take the shell off first, and then put in the hot water, take the skin off, and put in the ice water right away. We can eat raw, of course, but only outside the shell. Inside the shell, too chewy. Omakase to me is giving my heart to the customers. Threadfin bream, itoyori. Black throat, nodoguro. Smoked king mackerel, Ishinomaki, Sendai, Japan. Sawara. Geoduck, still moving. This one, Geoduck, loco. Being a sous chef is learning every day, going up little by little. So we never think I'm not perfect. That's being a sous chef.